Hey guys, it's Gloriana, the funniest, and her channel is what? Kokomo, go follow me. Thank you. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a slime smoothie. And we're going to be mixing
We're gonna be mixing her bowl.
No, not my bowl. We're gonna be mixing all of these glitter slimes because they're way too sticky and we don't like them.
Yeah.
So we're gonna
be mixing this.
We're not gonna be mixing that one because we really like that one, and we're not gonna be mixing this one because she gave me this one and I really like this one.
And now I gave her it because it's her birthday today. So yeah.
Yeah. Today's my birthday, so yeah. Okay. So, anyways, let's get started. So we're gonna
Mix it in this thing.
Okay. So first,
But I don't have no room. Let's go over.
there.
I only have one leg on the chair. That's the first one.
So this is the first one, and I really like this one.
The second one is this one, but it's really sticky.
It's the same one, but it's way stickier.
Kind of.
I don't want to mix this one. I don't like this one.
I like it too. Just mix it. Just mix all of them. This is called a slime smoothie. That's why. The next one is this one. It's really hard and rubbery. So it's just, not the blue one. Not the blue one. Not the blue one.
Why not? You like this one?
No, because that's gonna be a part of yours.
Oh yeah. Okay. So that's mine. Okay, let me put it in a container.
Okay, so the next one is
This
this one. It's the same purple one. It's a little sticky and jiggly, so goes back in there.
Okay. Now
She could do the last one.
Oh, this one is way too sticky. Girl, you.
I didn't want to do that one.
This one is really sticky.
I didn't want to do that one.
We're gonna mix it.
Wait! What are you doing? Why don't you let me grab some too? Okay, so our moms, well, my mom is here. Her mom just went to go get some pizza because we're gonna go
To
this place called Scooter's Jungle,
and it's really fun.
supposedly.
It
Well,
is.
I know I've been there before, like 2 times. No, more than
So-
2.
We're gonna poke it for you guys. And hold on. Oh my god, I almost got this in my shirt. Okay, so we're gonna poke it for you guys. First, I'm gonna poke it, and she's gonna show you guys. Hold it for me. This one's really sticky.
It's so weird because they're different colors.
I know. Okay, you ready? Let me see.
Yeah.
Okay, get close to it. Not that close.
This is a mess. This yellow, this orange thing, yellowish, greenish thing. Okay, my turn. You record it now, I guess.
So I'm gonna record her.
I'm gonna mix these 2.
She's gonna mix both of them.
Yeah. Ready? Did you see? Did they?
Yeah.
You see these?
Yeah.
I'm gonna mix them together. The other one that you had right there that you did ASMR with, it's just like sticky. So this one feels really better. Mom's back. With no pizza? What the?
She probably went to the gas station to get some chips.
Here's this one. It's really pokey. You listen to the sound. Okay, she could do the rest because that's how good it feels.
Yeah. So hold it.
It feels really good. Doesn't it?
Yeah, feels good. I'm gonna do a swirl, so because I know you guys like some swirls. So.
Go to the trampoline on your track. Okay, I'm done. Okay, well, Janina, if you're watching this, that's my friend Jocelyn.
Hi.
Ew!
What?
I tried to touch your lips.
No.
Where's mommy? We're back.
She think is no.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna go to trampoline. You wanna
What
go
time
to
is it,
trampoline?
girls?
Yeah. What time is it?
Oh, Lord. Did you put it under your pillow?
No, you just lost it right
I don't know what time is it right now.
Oh, you just right now? You don't know where you left it?
Try to store these in these.
it away for nighttime.
Oh, good.
So
Try to.
I'm going to wait. Hold on, guys. Here we go. I'm gonna put them inside. I'm gonna store these slimes because she wants me
In
to.
these little containers.
So, I'm gonna.
Oh, it all fit? Oh, that was all of it. But we're gonna have to go in separate cars.
No, we're not.
Yeah, because we all don't fit. Because Michael, Jacob, Eli, and me.
Oh, your big brother too, huh?
Yeah. I could probably go with you guys.
Yeah, I know, huh?
Yeah, I just have to wedge it. You could. This whole time people were seeing my underwear. Shorts.
No, they weren't.
Yes, they were.
Where's the thing? The tops. I don't see any tops.
Oh, they're hard to close. They're hard to close.
Everybody needs to use true. Cause I know that's know it. I know that's know.
No, that's it.
She's gonna give you $5 for the birthday I gave her. But you gotta give change.
Me?
Yeah, Monica is. And me.
Okay.
But I didn't have no change.
Uh-huh.
But she's gonna buy pizzas and give you the $5.
Okay.
Well, these take forever to close, so I gotta like organize them.
Yeah, we already have these ones already. And then
It's all the towers. I think these are how they go. Pretty sure.
so we're finished and we're gonna go to here's the slime smoothie.
Yeah, that's.
I really like it. It's rare.
No, I'm not going with no friends.
You just got roasted. She said you don't got no friends.
What do you call it?
It's really
I don't know,
good.
he said that he went to probate. No, he went to court for parole. But he hasn't went for the sentencing yet.
My God, shut up! I'm trying to do a video. Oh my God, look how she put it.
You put it like that.
You did.
You did.
You're supposed to put it in one of these because this is
Oh.
the one that goes in the end. Sorry, boy. Okay, hurry up. We're gonna
Okay, we're gonna go to the trampoline, right, guys? So let's bring you guys with us.
I'm gonna hurry up before my phone starts dying. Here, here you go on.
Put it on.
Before you lose it. Put it up. There.
Ow!
Sorry, hurry. Don't take my thing like that.
Okay.
Well, I'm buying some pizzas, but I want to buy some. It's okay, don't worry about it.
I don't know what are we playing. Okay, tag. Didn't it get slipperier? Yeah. I went like this. I'll keep you in the face.
Hurry up, Justin.
Here. I don't know. Not it. Not it. Not it. Not it. Not it. Not it.
Here, Dawson, here. Take over. Take over.
So I'm gonna end up here the video here, guys.
Hurry up. He's in.
So anyways, bye guys.